50 magicians entered, each one looking to impress and win from a prize pot of $500. I've watched and took notes from every single performance, and today, the competition begins. Welcome back everyone, I am Vineet, and this is the first round of the Ultimate Magic Contest, which I have renamed to Prestige of the Pack. Pretty good name. I received 50 submissions from magicians all around the world, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the highlights, reveal the top 10, and then I'm going to give you the power. Let's begin.
Hey CardMechanic, let's start the magic trick.
Use my cards. Already plus 10 points.
I'll use a different kind of magic,
okay,
which is known as the blow snap clap. See.
Ah, okay. This is the kind of magic that I need to be using. The blue snap clap. Is it blue or blow? Now my pants are gone.
Your card. But look, let me try to fix this. Look.
No, go ahead.
They came in all like, yeah, go ahead. That really got me. That was good.
I am 9 years old. I have been doing magic tricks for 5 years.
Boy, 9 years old. 5 years of magic. You started at 4. I was picking my nose.
Remember, this is one of the main priorities of being a card magician. Never let anybody else touch the cards.
Noted as my top priority, you don't touch.
Please make me first prize.
Oh man, if only life worked that way.
A little wave and just a little tap. They swap spaces. Isn't that amazing?
See, that right there would already blow the minds of so many people. Man, I did enjoy that, but the angle was killer. Not in a good way.
Very, very simple because I am a pickpocket. Forgot to mention that.
Come on, man, you shouldn't be giving that information away. Just do it. Don't tell people.
And then they pull out the card pretending it was in the pocket the whole time when really...
Ooh, that was good.
9 of hearts. Right.
Great effect. I love the confidence. I wish there was a little bit more done with performance, but really enjoyed it.
Drunk Jerry just has $250 in his pocket that he won from the CardMechanic in this contest.
Drunk Jerry is pretty confident. Everybody getting full houses, like Oprah, handing out cars. You get a full house, and you get a full house, and you...
Catch $250.
We shall see.
The great Woo Ding's gonna do a thing.
What happened? Instant top 10, obviously. What an interesting guy.
Raise your hand if you like movies. I do too.
I gotta say, this build-up is really looking good. I'm excited.
Is the movie Jaws, the one that I tried to put into...
Man, this would have been so good if this was done for someone live or like a theater setting. It's so hard to sell this effect through camera.
Being robbers.
Gotta love the 4 burglars. The deck is the Louvre. That's what it is. It got burglared.
You're probably wondering what it is, and I'll tell you. It's none other than magical dirt.
The reveal for the magical dirt. Gotta love it.
Back here, this entire time.
Where is all this magical dirt coming from, and how do I get some?
Magical dirt.
Now available at the CardMechanic shop.
Non-gilded.
Automatic first place. This guy's just promoting my cards.
This is the ex-girlfriend shuffle. Looks good, doesn't really do anything.
The ex-girlfriend shuffle looks good. Doesn't do anything.
That's me. King of Spades.
This guy's just buttering me up, and it's working. No, I'm just kidding.
On the top.
Show away. Okay, well.
Can you see them?
No. Should have watched this video back before submitting.
Oh.
A whole new meaning to card to mouth. Is that my card?
What? Your card?
That it is.
You don't know me yet, but you're about to remember the name. I'm Revox, the card killer.
What's even happening right now? I feel like I'm being introduced to Batman.
Just draw hands and real magic.
Just raw hands and real magic. This guy's a legend already.
And I hope...
Oh, I could have been so good.
To spell 6. S E X.
Dude, I know you said you don't speak English well, but spelling 6 as X-E-X, amazing.
This is for CardMechanic's magic competition.
Coming in smooth. Chill.
3, 2.
The change has happened.
Thank you so much for watching my trick. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.
That was so abrupt. It's over. Goodbye. Leave. Get out of here. I'm going to tell you right now, judging this was not easy. Some people had amazing performances. Some people had insane skill. A lot of people had a mix of both. I had to narrow it down to the top 10, and that was one of the most difficult things I've had to do. Every performance that I picked had some unique factor about it that I really enjoyed. Without any further ado, the top 10 contestants with their highlights.
Now this is not actually the main trick that I will be showing you.
I'm loving this music, this vibe. It makes me at ease.
Is a more visual one, because watch the 3 of spades, I just wave it.
I gotta say, really good handling. I wish I didn't know how things were being done. I would enjoy it so much more.
In climax, which is the big ball underneath.
Man, I'm enjoying so many of these like twist endings at the end. See, the music, the vibe, the handling, the technique, it was all there, so I had to bring this one on.
I chose this
I'm going blind.
routine because I think it's connected.
Okay, see, something is going on here. I just can't place my finger on it.
Just like this, something magical happens.
1, so
2,
clean.
3
so
cards.
clean.
I get a prize at the CardMechanics Magic Contest.
Damn, man. Maybe. That was really good. Even though I knew most of what was going on, I didn't see a thing. Flawlessly executed, and that's why I just had to be top 10.
That's it. That's the trick. Thank you.
Okay. If I had a buzzer, clicking it right over there. I mean, honestly,
And then the last.
pretty decent cups and balls. Probably better than what I could do. Always nice to end up with some oranges. Well, here it comes, and there it is. Okay, not many places to go in here. I mean, funny guy, he got the card out of the orange at the end. Why not?
And what can be more random than a regular deck of cards?
I gotta say, a lot of you may not know how true that actually is. A deck of cards can be the most random thing ever. 52 factorial. That's all I'm gonna say.
And there it is, right there.
Yeah, man, that execution was actually quite good. It's so hard to get away with slights on camera, but if I actually saw this in person with the right misdirection, I would have been floored. Like, for that reason, top 10. Yo, the handling is fire. Oh, man, I love the laser deal. This would look so much more impressive if the cards weren't blank, but it requires still so much skill. I believe this man may have actual magic powers. Top 10. Concise, sturdy shuffles. That's all you need in life.
The card that I selected was also the Queen.
Yo, that was pretty good. AI. What is even happening right now? How?
That is because it's inside my wallet.
Damn, I gotta say, this kid did so much. There was so much going on, and a lot of it was killer. All right? That's why I put him in here.
Now, yesterday was my 13th birthday, which means I'm officially a grown adult who can spend all his time in his living room talking to his mom's camera.
Yeah, that's pretty funny. I wish I was a grown adult at 13. Took me 30.
Ends in a snap, and it can do any magical effect, like bringing the 3 diamonds back to the top.
Those magical gestures, never underestimate wave and snap. Those are the ones. First one again, what was it? Then wave and snap. Gotta be cool about it though.
Ezra, you know, you're so handsome, so by default you're very smart.
I love Ezra's the man. Okay, you understand?
He says,
oh my God, Ezra.
The cube got solved.
That's why this is top 10 material. Yo, that is fire. Oh, and the addition of the catch. Blindfold on. I need to try out this method myself. I never thought of it. I mean, let's be real. This guy knows what he's doing. Instant top 10.
So, spades and
I gotta say, the level of control this guy has is actually amazing.
Last but not the least.
Bro, I thought I was impressed before, but now I can barely do this. And that's why it was a big check for top 10. I mean, let's just take a second. admire this whole aesthetic. Perfect. I can actually just sit here in peace and just watch this all day. Get out of here, man. Get out of here, man. Yeah, I just keep forgetting there's nowhere to go in here. I loved everything about it. There's nothing else to say. You already know why it's top 10. Now hold on, it's not over yet. I said I was gonna give you some power. There were a handful of magicians who were so close making it to the top 10 that I just couldn't leave out. So now, I need your help. These are the wild cards.
Don't play cards with me because I'm a
Gotta love the kid in the back just sneaking his way out. I saw how he got here. The angle's a bit exposed, but I love this idea.
Watch the 7. If I changed it into an ace, that'd be the craziest thing in
That'd be pretty impressive.
Craziest thing in this trick.
Sure.
I'm not giving.
God damn it! I knew it. Dude, it looked too clean. Again, nowhere else to go in this room.
Four cards.
There he is. There he is again.
And those are.
Do you see how he just dropped down? Follow his journey.
One,
there he is.
Those are the.
Man, I was thinking this was good. This was really good. The angles were a bit exposed. I don't know what to do. And that's why I need your help.
And leave it somewhere in the middle of the deck. You can see it one last time.
Man, I gotta say, I am really liking the confidence along with the knowledge of slight execution. Yo, that is impressive, man. My card's actually missing right there.
It is hidden underneath.
This guy has some amazing potential, but just missing like a little bit of refinement. I need you to tell me.
I'm just doing this with her because I have no other friends, apparently. But
I have no other friends. Relatable.
Oh my god.
Yo, that's actually insane. I have no clue how this is done. Ugh, I'm so split on this because I love the trick, really great performance, but it is over the 3-minute time limit that I set in the rules. What do I do? That's why it's a wild card. All right, so we're about halfway through this trick, and the shuffling is actually still going very strong.
Give it a final shuffle.
Last one.
Finally, it says all will be clubs.
Yo, that's solid.
You can see, all of them are clubs. Oh wait, we have the
okay, I guess
ace of
one's not.
spades here.
Okay.
And that's okay. This joker has been here the whole time. I didn't touch it. And on the back of it, it says, except for the ace of spades.
What happened? It had to be, it's something simple. What is it? Man, like the trick is there, right? But the performance just needs to be polished and golden. You tell me. Boom, wildcard. Now that you have your choices, I want you to comment #wildcard along with the name of the contestant that you want to see go through to the next round and join the top 10. It's a big honor. Round 2 will be coming out soon where you'll be seeing even more of these top 10 contestants along with your wildcard pick. And trust me, you don't want to miss it because I just showed you small snippets, but their magic is next level. Don't forget to vote for your favorite wildcard down in the comments and subscribe so you don't miss a beat. And I'll be seeing you in the next round.